I wasn't paying attention when I drew this thing. It was really too small. But what's interesting is if you go edit a 3D sketch, look what it does. It makes it kind of a solid. It's kind of weird. Anyway, I wanted to change the scale of this, but this is based on a solid to begin with, so if we go edit the solid, we might be able to change some scale properties, but I need to edit its underlying sketch really. But okay, we're in inches. Let's make this, I don't know, 36 inches. Okay, so it has edited our sketch. Since it's based on a solid, that makes it relatively easy to, because this guy was recommending that people don't do this, but this may be an advantage that, making sketches easy to edit the dimensions of based on a solid, because there's no way to really scale that sketch as far as I can figure out. But let me go put a smart dimension on it. I wonder if these things are set to equal. I'm not sure that they are. I don't know if they have an equal relationship or not. Kept these 24 inch, but I don't know if it'll let me do that. Maybe it did it. I don't know. Let's exit sketch and find out. Yep, it did it. So, that changed the dimensions of our sketch, so I was able to scale it, irregardless. Let me go edit this sucker here and kind of do the same thing. I don't know what my plans for this thing were, but I don't really have any, but I'll make this like 18 inches, and I'll make this one like 18 inches. So it's got us a box in the middle of it. What the fuck? Exit sketch. So now I should be able to apply structural members to it. Okay. Now I can't change the square tube. I want to, I don't know, go with something a little different. Let's enter to go into the command. I'll try to go to pipe, I guess. And I'll make it 1.5 inches. So we can put tubing right here on this motherfucker and hit OK. So you can see how it did the joints here. I could go edit those. In fact, I think I will, because I really would prefer these to all be miter everywhere, in all groups. Alright. Since we're using that 1.5 inch tubing on it. So, it looks groovy and dandy. And if you notice, it did cut our tubes. Well, the tubes are actually cutting into it now. That, is something I'm going to have to address. So, what I need to do is go do that extend thing. No, yeah. Okay, I chose the wrong damn command. No, I don't want that selected, damn it. Okay, okay, well, now bodies to be trimmed. Let's clear the selection. We're going to trim all these. I wish I could just fucking cross-select like AutoCAD, but no, it doesn't work. No. Stupid fucking thing. Okay, now the bodies that are going to do the trimming are going to be here and here. I probably should select face, but I think bodies ought to work in this sense. Let's see, we got weld gap, no, allow extension. Yeah, I'll go ahead and allow extensions. Okay, let's see what happens. Alright, and it looks like that trimmed our pipe off nice and dandy, so it's not going through the other part. So, you know, created that nice table frame. Now, this I'll make out of, you know, angle iron. Damn it, no, I don't want to do that. Make it out of angle iron, size 1 inch by 1 inch. Okay, now this should be interesting. Okay, yeah, it looks like it's working. Okay, cool. Alright. Now, that we've done that, you know, we can go to the boss extrude, okay, which is conveniently located here, and create a sketch on this plane. I think that's about right. Hard to tell. Exit sketch and create a tabletop. Yay! That's actually what that's for, believe it or not. Okay. I'll hide the sketch. We'll put a fucking finish of some kind on it if I can figure out how. Appearances. Glass, solids, fabric, organic, stone. Wow. Really? Huh. I guess organic would include wood. Oak. Yeah. Well, actually, I'd like it to be shiny. Okay. And again, don't know why the fuck it does that. You're supposed to be able to just drag and drop it. I don't want my whole fucking thing. Of course, I accidentally pressed, you know, undo, and can I redo it? Fuck no. So I'm gonna have to redo the goddamn feature again. God, this program sucks. I mean, there's just no there's no excuse for this. This is a bunch of bullshit. Okay, it's not merging the results. So this should be a separate solid body. But of course we don't have separate solid bodies. We have separate structural members, so unbelievable. Okay, fuck it. Okay, anyway, the only reliable way to fucking select materials is to go select it so it goes into the editor and then just click on it, I guess. I guess that seemed to work. Okay, whatever. Anyway, so that's how you do that.